Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. To this video we are going to talk about how to delete or remove Facebook page profile picture. So let's get started. As a first step we go to the profile by clicking here at the top. As you can see, this is my profile picture. To delete it, we tap on the picture, we choose this option. Then we tap on the 3 point at the top left. Here you will find the delete photo. Finally, we confirm the action. Great, and as you can see, the picture has been successfully deleted.